Welcome back to Byte Sized Future, where we explore how the latest tech makes your life easier, smarter, and more organized. If you've ever set a goal and forgotten about it 2 weeks later, you're not alone. But in 2025, AI is turning goal setting and tracking into a science, with smart apps that keep you focused, accountable, and on track. Let's explore the best AI tools to help you finally crush your goals. Let's start with Notion AI. This tool is perfect for both short-term and long-term goals. You can write out your goals, break them into subtasks, and let the AI organize them into timelines or weekly plans. Notion even analyzes your habits over time and recommends what to prioritize next. It turns vague dreams into daily action steps. Next is Trello with Butler AI automation. Trello boards are great for visual thinkers, and with Butler, you can automate progress tracking. For example, when you check off a task, the AI moves the card, updates the progress bar, and reminds you if you're falling behind. It's like a self-updating vision board that keeps pushing you forward. Reclaim.ai is ideal for those who forget to make time for their goals. This AI tool syncs with your Google Calendar and blocks off time for your habits, like writing, reading, or working out. It treats personal goals with the same importance as work meetings, making sure they actually happen. If you're into fitness or health goals, Fitbod AI and MyFitnessPal with AI Insights are perfect companions. Fitbod builds custom workout plans that adjust based on your progress and muscle recovery, while MyFitnessPal gives AI-generated nutrition suggestions based on your data. You get a personal trainer and dietitian without the price tag. For big, bold goals like starting a business or writing a book, Tability is an underrated gem. It uses AI to help you set quarterly objectives, OKRs, track key results, and stay accountable with reminders and performance visuals. It's used by startups, but solo creators and freelancers can benefit too. When it comes to mindset and habit goals, Coach.me AI is fantastic. It gives you personalized prompts, nudges, and daily motivation based on your chosen habits. You can even get coaching from real people if you want, but the AI alone is enough to track and support daily growth, like meditation, journaling, or quitting bad habits. Don't sleep on ClickUp, especially with its new AI assistant in 2025. You can create high-level goals, break them down into measurable milestones, and let the AI monitor your pace. It helps you identify bottlenecks and even suggests ways to work more efficiently. Want a more creative, vision-based approach? Tome AI allows you to turn your goals into beautiful visual slides. You can tell the AI your plan, for example, run a marathon in 6 months, and it builds a visual roadmap with steps, timelines, and motivational quotes. Perfect for dreamers who like to see their journey. And of course, ChatGPT remains a powerhouse. Whether you're trying to write a smart goal, break a big project into small wins, or brainstorm weekly checkpoints, just ask. You can even paste your journal entries or planners, and ChatGPT will help you refine your vision and spot blind spots. Free and flexible. In 2025, goal setting isn't just about ambition. It's about having the right support system. AI tools don't just remind you. They guide you, adjust to your life, and help you follow through. You don't have to be ultra-disciplined anymore. You just need smart tools that help you stay consistent. Thanks for watching Byte Sized Future. If you found a new tool that could help you reach your next big milestone, hit subscribe and help us grow this community to 50,000 subscribers. Your goals matter. And now, with AI, you have everything you need to actually reach them.